And welcome again to Primetime Sports Tuesday. And let's tell you one more time that Commonwealth Games 400 meters hurdles champion Kaliese should find out on June 15 whether she will escape a 4-year ban for an alleged doping violation. This after her 2-day anti-doping hearing before the Kent Gammon-chaired 3-member independent panel ended on Tuesday at the Jamaica Conference Center.
In 90 minutes of cross-examination of Kaliese, who was giving evidence for the second straight day, Jadco's attorney Laxton Robinson tried to establish inaccuracies in the hurdler's witness statement. This relating to the April 27, 2016 date in question, when Spencer was alleged to have evaded or refused to provide a sample for testing to Jadco at the Stadium East track. Robinson also insisted that Spencer's coach at the time, Bertrand Cameron, who also took to the witness stand, had advised her that Jadco's team had selected her for testing. But the hurdler insisted she only spoke with her coach and friend of 12 years, Christine Day, about their then upcoming competitions at the Drake and Penn Relays in the USA. Spencer also revealed that Jadco officials usually approached her directly during her 1-hour whereabouts window for her to sign the notification form for testing. Spencer's representative, American attorney Paul Green, who objected on a number of occasions to Robinson's line of questions, established in redirect that Spencer did not intentionally try to deceive the Kent Gammon-chaired panel or Jadco in her written statement.
All of them admitted under oath, Mr. Brown, Mr. Kerry Brown, Tajay Smith, and Wilbert Rowe, who was called as somebody who was there from Jadco, all admitted that she was never notified under the WADA International Standards under Article 5. Notification is when the period begins when the athlete is required to remain for testing. They all admitted she was never notified by anyone from Jadco, and that was clear in their testimony.
Spencer revealed that after leaving Stadium East, her agent Marvin Anderson called her to say she needed to return to Stadium East for testing by Jadco. She said Anderson again called her to advise that she should go straight to Jadco's office instead. She said she did. Christine Day, Johnny Day, and coach Bertrand Cameron all supported Spencer's claim. On Monday's first day of the hearing, 3 persons from Jadco, Executive Director Kerry Brown, Sample Collection and Testing Manager Tajay Smith, and Chaperone Wilbert Rowe, all testified. Green expressed satisfaction with the June 15 date set by the panel for the decision after only 2 days of the hearing.
The hearing is over and we'll be done on a timetable that would allow Ms. Spencer to come back and compete at Nationals and have a chance to go to Worlds, assuming we win. And even if we don't prevail, we would still have an opportunity to go to CAS and seek a stay that would potentially allow her to compete at Nationals also. So we're thankful for that timetable.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.